Austin! Okay. Austin, we need medic. Where's he at? The top or the bottom? You're about to have 4 more. Get ready. There's about to be 4 more. Get ready. There's 3 more respawning. Get ready. Come on, come on, come on! Come on! Cover back, cover back. We got incoming. What? You found one? Nice. So how many do they have? All right, Neil and medic is in there.
I know where this is. Okay.
Neil and medic is in there.
Where'd he move?
They're in the 10 building. I don't know why they moved to the 10 building.
Neil's next to us.
Oh, not Neil, my bad. Connor and which guy? Hey, there's somebody shooting at them from the you hear 'em? Hey, sit rep. 3 just respawned. I don't know where they went.
Get the cover! Get the cover! They're coming from the rear.
Andrew, get back on the other side. Get on the other side. Get on the other side. Here they come. Here they come. Here they come.
Sorry.
What did he say? I didn't even hear him say it. There was another, wasn't there?
I think. Is he the only one?
Somebody shot at me from the side.
Oh, all the way. Yeah. There's one still there.
Sam's about to revive. Or respawn. Hey, they can't shoot from the other side of that creek though.
They can if we're in play.
Oh, but we can't shoot them?
Christian stuck over there?
No, he moved. He went to go respawn.
There's one over there. Dakota, do you have this way and not cover this way?
I only got it. If he moves up, I can shoot him, but I don't know if this fence is going to block all of them.
I got your 6 then.
Where can I move? I don't want to move there. I'm going to get shot from the side. Well, screw it. You ready? I'm going there.
Okay. He's by that first box to the right.
To the right?
Yeah, the one to our right. We're straight ahead from you, Dakota. I need to watch this guy over here.
Andrew. He's to the right? You see him? No. There's another too.
There's one coming up the trail.
Which trail?
The trail behind us.
Hey Neil. Watch that side. Left side. No, right side. I'm out, Andrew, I'm out. Where at?
One's coming.
Hey, Sam's over there. Sam's over there.
Where? What?
X house. X house. He's at X house.
Another guy moved over here.
I'm in a bad spot, guys. Andrew, I'm going there. I'm going in there. You ready? Sam, Neil.
Yeah.
Sam is sitting. He's sitting in it. Right window, Sam.
Right window, what do?
X house. I gotta go to the next building. You ready, Andrew?
Huh?
You ready? I'm in a bad spot. I'm going there. You ready? We gotta do something. I got my side completely open. Ready? Crossing.
Austin! Okay.
He's hit! Andrew, you might want to sit this house right here, dude. Which one?
Says moving to your right.
Coming up behind?
Austin says move to your right.
We got a piece. Where's the others? You think they got him?
No, they have one for a fact. They have the warhead for a fact. We have the center. Who knows who's got the ball?
Austin! Connor, do you think you can get over here?
The hell was that?
No, Shane.
Hey, I'm looking at one right now at their spawn. I'm waiting to see if what's he doing. Hey, is Sam alive? No, he's dead. Okay.
One, Connor!
3, 2, 1, move!
Andrew, get ready to look left. Andrew, get ready to look.
Huh?
Get ready to check in front of us. They're just sitting there and spawn.
Hold on. They're coming from right here. They keep coming right here and they keep shooting.
They can't do that.
They can if we're in game.
We're in game.
We're trying to our spawn.
It don't matter what's
Gotta get them out. So,
Spawn's not a safety.
But what I'm saying is we can't hide in spawn, but they can't attack us from our spawn, I don't think. I'm not sure.
They're just sitting in their spawn right now. Look at them. They're just talking. They're trying to figure out what they're going to do.
What about the points?
All right, we got one. Austin, we have one. We don't know where the other two is. Andrew. Andrew.
What?
Right now, if we want to move, we could take the back because there's 3 of them in the front, and the other ones are in village. I'm guessing, right?
Alright, have y'all checked the black market?
We checked it already. It's not there.
Yeah, I'm checking. What's scary?
Give it to medic. Give it to medic. Andrew.
Yeah.
I'm coming to you.
There you go.
Somebody swap with me. Somebody go get that spot.
Move this squad to the back.
Go get that spot, somebody. Neil, it's a good spot. What?
He says something about pizza. You want to move as a squad to the back? Hey, Neil. Move as squad to back.
What's that?
Move as a squad to the back.
Is that what he just said?
That's what.
It's game!
All right, y'all ready? Mags out.
We're eating real fast. Don't let them know that we had that part.
Keep it here. We're gonna say we're gonna resume where we were.
Huh?
We're gonna resume from where we were,
Okay.
which is right here. And they're gonna resume from their spawn since they were sitting there the whole time.
Where can we hide it?
Just keep it with you. Do you have anywhere to put it
Keep
in?
it in your bag.
Or
Yeah.
I can put it right back on here.
Keep it in your pouch, man.
Don't leave it in case they say no, we can't do it again, and they want to switch sides. Because if we switch sides, we're screwed. Yo, but Andrew, here, let me show you. Look.
They're not gonna switch sides.
I know, but look. You see that cover right there?
Huh?
Andrew.
I said,
Drew.
the guy running out.
Oh my God. Am I still recording?
Hey, is this good? Yeah, you're still recording.